Hi, I'm Dr. Larson with this week's Monday Motivation. I'm going to be talking about portion size, and in particular something called portion distortion. There are many factors involved in the obesity epidemic in our country. 1/3 of our adults are overweight and 1/3 are obese. A large part of this is due to the increase in our intake. The available portion sizes now are markedly increased compared to that available several decades ago. The portion sizes have been steadily increasing since the 1970s, along with our waistbands. What is considered a normal portion now is markedly greater than what it was several decades ago. Food companies are increasing how they package their food and marketing them to be more cost effective, when in fact they may be costing us our health. The reality is that what is a serving size, the amount that we're supposed to be eating, is getting confused with the portion size, which is what is being provided to us. A good example of this would be a bag of chips or a bottle of soda. We might grab these and think that this is the amount we're supposed to eat at one time, when in reality, if you look at the nutrition label, it may have 2 or even 3 servings in one. Research has shown that portion size influences the calories that we eat, our ability to assess the amount that we're eating, and it also interferes with our normal satiety clues that tell us when we've had enough food. There was an NIH study done that recently showed and compared the amount of food in a portion currently to 20 years ago, and the results were fairly remarkable. For example, a bagel used to be about 3 inches in diameter, and now they're 6 inches in diameter. A serving of pasta would be 1 cup, and now it's at least 2 cups. Cheeseburgers are now twice the size that they used to be. A regular serving of French fries is 3 times what it used to be. Another good example is that of sodas. When they were introduced to the marketplace in the 1940s, they were 6.5 ounces in a bottle. Now they've increased to 20, 42, and even the 64-ounce double big gulp, which is not a good idea. So what can you do? Pay attention to your nutrition labels. Look at the back of the package of the nutrition label, and at the very top it will tell you how many servings per container. When you're eating food, try not to eat out of big packages. Try and take out 1 serving, put it in a bowl, and put the big bag or big package away. When you're at restaurants, also, the size of entrees has increased greatly. One thing you can do is maybe split an entree with another person, or ask your server to split yours in half so you can eat half then and take home some more for later. It is easy to fall into a pattern of eating a lot more food than necessary. Don't let the food companies fool you. Pay attention to how much you're eating, and better yet, try to eat more fruits and vegetables, because produce is really difficult to eat too much of. Thanks for listening. I hope you have a great week.